Hey fam, welcome back to Health Studio, the place where UGG diets turn into heck yeah lifestyles. I'm Mark, your hype buddy for everything healthy, and today I'm bringing you a plan that might literally blow your mind. It's called the Smoothie Diet, and trust me, this is not your average boring diet. This is fun, colorful, and delicious. Imagine losing up to 15 pounds, getting clearer skin, more energy, no belly bloat, and doing it while drinking smoothies that taste like dessert. Just 21 days, one blender, a bit of willpower, and you could completely flip how you feel about your body. And if you're even a tiny bit curious, hit the link in our description. No excuses. But hey, I know you probably have a million questions, so I called in the best of the best. The king of greens, the wizard of habit change, the smoothie dude himself, Bill Brooks.
HealthScope. Reviewed with care, shared with honesty.
Mark, you always hype me up, man. What's up, Smoothie fam? I'm Bill, and I'm here to break down every question you could ever think of about this program.
That's right. We rounded up 35 of your hottest questions so you can stop overthinking and actually start blending.
And really, this plan is simple, fun, and it works. If you're even 1% curious, don't miss out. Click that link down there, trust me.
All right, Bill, let's do this. Question 1. What exactly is the smoothie diet?
It's a 21-day plan where you replace 2 daily meals with nutrient-dense smoothies plus 1 healthy solid meal.
Why 21 days?
Because science says it takes about 3 weeks to break habits and build new ones. That's the sweet spot.
Why smoothies, though?
They're fast, tasty, loaded with vitamins and fiber, and way easier than cooking full meals every time.
Is this just another juice cleanse?
Heck no. Juice cleanses are sugar bombs. Smoothies actually have protein and fiber to keep you full. Big difference.
Will I feel hungry?
Nope, you still get a solid meal and even a snack if you need it.
Do I have to exercise?
Not required, but moving more will speed things up, even just a daily walk.
Do I really need a blender?
100%, dude. No blender, no smoothie. Period.
Can I use store-bought smoothies?
Stay away. They're usually full of sugar, chemicals, and preservatives. Make yours fresh.
How much weight could I lose?
Most people see 8 to 15 pounds gone in 3 weeks.
Will the weight come back?
Absolutely. The fiber helps flatten things out, and a couple crunches don't hurt either.
Better skin?
Yep, the antioxidants help you glow, bro.
More energy?
Like crazy more.
When should I drink the smoothie?
Usually breakfast and dinner, then your solid meal at lunch.
Coffee allowed?
Yeah, just go easy on sugar.
Supplements needed?
Not really, unless your doctor says you're missing something.
What's the biggest mistake people make?
Adding too much fruit or ignoring the recipes, then blaming the diet for not working.
Is this expensive?
Nah, you'll find all the stuff at your regular grocery store.
What if I travel?
Prep ahead or get a mini travel blender. Problem solved.
Can diabetics try it?
With their doctor's guidance, sure.
Pregnant folks?
No, pregnancy needs more calories and different nutrients.
What should my solid meal look like?
A solid meal should have lean protein, vegetables, and a smart carb like brown rice or sweet potato.
Can kids do this?
Nope, it's designed for adults.
What if I work long shifts?
Prep your smoothies ahead and bring them along. No excuses.
Why do people love this program so much?
Because it's simple, it tastes awesome, and it freaking works.
Before we end, Bill, what do you say to someone still hesitating?
Look, man, 21 days can change your whole mindset, your energy, your confidence. You've got nothing to lose except the weight. Try it. click the link below. Worst case, you'll learn something. Best case, you transform your life.
That's what I'm talking about. You heard Bill. Click the link in the description. Don't wait. Get your blender ready and let's crush this.
You're worth it, bro.
And hey, follow us everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even X, even Facebook again. You can't hide from us. We're coming for your smoothies. All right, fam, that's a wrap. 35 of your biggest questions answered. Subscribe, rate, and let us know if you jump on the smoothie diet train. We'd love to hear your results.
Stay awesome, legends.
HealthScope. Reviewed with care. Shared with honesty.